Hello and welcome to the TMC Newsroom. My name is Rich Tarani. Thanks for watching us today. We're in California this week speaking to some of the best and brightest tech and telecom companies in the area. On our program right now is Sergio Ramos. He is the CTO of Quake Global. And Sergio, welcome to the show.
Thank you very much. It's a pleasure being here.
So I thought we'd start out by just talking about your company. You're in the M2M space, but specifically, what do you do?
Well, can I give you a little background on the company?
Sure, please.
Sure.
Please.
The company started in 1998, really by a think tank of engineers that were working on government grant programs. These were all communication programs, and that evolved into being able to design the Orbcomm satellite network. And Orbcomm is a low Earth orbiting satellite network specifically designed for asset tracking. The M2M, which of course in 1998 it isn't what it is now. It's grown substantially. But we were involved in the communicators. Those are the assets that a customer would use to control and monitor assets anywhere in the world. And also involved in the design of the Gateway Earth Station. Now the gateway is really the piece of equipment that communicates with the satellite, as well as maneuvers the satellite, and is able to take information from the satellite to the gateway and eventually disperse it to the customers' backends. So Quake was deeply involved in that design. So of course it was natural for us to design and develop communicators. We had the in on the system. So in the past 12 years, we have been designing communicators for various satellite networks. And that is in an effort to give customers choices. Quake is about giving customers choices, not only with the different satellite networks, so they can have a choice on latencies, on where exactly in the globe, because there isn't one network that can really get data across globally. Quake is headquartered in San Diego, California. We have a subsidiary in Virginia, and we again have been involved with adding various functions to our offerings. We in the past few years have added dual mode communications. You hear that term quite a bit, and hopefully I'll get to explain a little bit more about it later. But we offer products for Iridium, Globalstar, offer products for Orbcomm, and most recently Inmarsat. So again, we intend to provide our customers the ability to monitor any asset anywhere in the globe.
And so your customers are companies looking to monitor their assets, so basically a wide variety from, I would imagine, trucking, logistics, to government, to
correct,
virtually anything, right?
Correct. One of the important things about Quake is that we are a high-end supplier of modems. Our customers include Caterpillar, I think Hitachi, Volvo, as well as John Deere. So all the large OEMs. There's also value-added resellers and system integrators. So they will use our modems and their solutions to provide asset tracking, asset monitoring, conditions monitoring. They want to monitor the humidity in a certain area, make determinations on what's going on in the environment. They can control, automated control of assets. Again, both terrestrial as well as satellite. Our focus is on satellite, but we do offer the terrestrial mode as an accessory to our satellite products.
That makes sense in hard to reach areas, I imagine. Or
absolutely, yes.
Indoors or whatever.
That's absolutely correct. Both in GSM and 3G.
So from a competitive standpoint, what do you see?
Actually, the benefit to Quake is that we don't see much competition in the type of product that we build. There's competitors that they claim that they have dual mode solutions. I'm sure you've heard that quite a bit. For most competitors believe that the dual mode is one terrestrial and one satellite option. We do something that's much better than that. Really, in the palm of your hand, our new family, our Q4000 family, gives customers the ability to, on a single platform, they don't have to change any of the hardware, any of the software. It's a network agnostic platform that will contain all the satellite networks and again GSM and 3G in one platform. including all the power conditioning and a fully programmable system. It's a fully controlled, full API, full IDE. So a customer, again, will invest their dollars into developing an application, or Quake can develop the application for them. But in that sense, a customer can choose. It can choose to be on ORBCOMM, and if their solution grows and they need different latencies, or they're operating in a different part of the world that ORBCOMM does not have coverage, they, without changing their mechanicals on their solution, they simply order a new part number and they have Iridium.
So what's next?
What's next for us is I guess what's next for everybody. The M2M marketplace and the solutions have really grown in the last few years. The solutions have gone from a personalized asset where somebody is looking for where am I, getting a positioning, to really systems that are incredibly smart. They contain quite a bit of processing power these days. They run autonomous. They're able, these new processors, new products are able to not only collect data, they can act as controllers. They will control other sensors that a customer wants to control. They're able to prioritize information, send it out of different networks. And
so a lot more intelligence.
A lot more intelligence on it. Yeah, and in fact, if you don't mind, I'd like to explain a little bit about some of that intelligence.
We've got about 30 seconds.
Oh, okay, cool. One of the biggest improvements, and from a customer point of view, that we have added is called NIM, Network Independent Messaging. Again, for the network agnostic options that our products offer. A customer using NIM would be able to prioritize any of the networks that are on the modem. Again, this is the same modem, no change in hardware. They write the application once. The customer specifies exactly how they want that information transferred to which network in the priority that they want. And we seamlessly, behind the scenes, will ensure that data, with a simple command from the customer, is routed through the network that they desire for a cost-effective solution for their end goals, of course. And we tell them exactly where it went, when it went, and they get all the details. This is all running autonomous on a fully programmed system.
That's great. Well, thanks for being on the program. This is great.
Absolutely, absolutely.
Pleasure.
Enjoyed it. Thank you very much.